Let's look at an array, and the structure is similar to the struct or struct that we have seen in earlier videos. So if we were to create an array, we would type select, and simply if we specify 1, this would automatically create an array, and in the column in the output we'll have this array created, and we'll have the column name automatically assigned. We can assign a column name if we specify it after the word as. So we can specify the column name right here, and now the column would have a name number, and within it the first record is an array that we see right here. Now we can also declare the type of data type for the elements within an array, and for that we would specify array, and in within angle brackets we would specify, let's say, int 64, and now when we run this we would have the same output with a number as a column and array in the output. So this is one way. Additionally, we could also have a string inside of it. So if we specify string, and instead of 1 if we specify the words 1, now if we run this we would get an output where the column name is number and then the array has the word 1. Apart from this, let's look at another data type. If we try select array, and here if we specify date, and then within the square brackets we can specify the value or the actual date, and then we specify the column name as date n and colon. So when we now run this statement we get an output which is a data type for the items within the array, which is 2022-0101. In addition to this, we can specify multiple items within an array. So if we type select 1, 2, 3, so this is valid, and when we run this we can get multiple items within an array. And likewise what we can do is we could also use booleans in here. So if we type select and specify values such as true, let's put it all caps, true, false, false, true, and give it a column name as boolean, so boolean BOOL, and run this, we would get an array which has boolean values in it. And again, as we have seen before, we can specify the type explicitly within angle brackets. So we could say within angle brackets we could say boolean, and when we run this now we should have the same output as we have seen before. Now notice that when we specified the type of data, we specified only one data type, and because in array it is expected that all the items within it are of the same data type. For example, if we tried to replace this and add a string there, this would throw an error because it has two different data types. Okay, so it's integer and string, so we cannot mix those two. So that was it for this video. I hope you learned what an array is. Hope to see you all in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.